they've been hiding this from you. They say the bells were taken down because of metal shortages during World War II, but they lied to you. For centuries, massive bells hung in cathedrals and towns, filling the air with their deep resonant sounds. But after World War II, nearly all of them were destroyed. It's being said that bells weren't just for ringing. They were believed to have the power to heal. When a bell vibrates, it creates sound frequencies that can help the body heal, similar to the effects of chanting or music. In the past, cathedrals used bells and pipe organs, often made of lead, to send out healing vibrations. These sounds were thought to structure the body's cells, restoring balance and health at a deep level. Over time, this knowledge